Good morning, folks. Chef Kazi here. I'm in my kitchen today and I'll make something different today. I'm planning to make one giant burger bun. I'll bake the burger bun from scratch and then I'll make the big patty also according to size of the burger bun, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so let me show you now. This is the dry yeast, 1.5 tablespoon, cup of lukewarm water, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 ounces clarified butter, and 3 cups of flour. Dry rosemary, oregano, okay, so we'll come back. Folks, we have a Nutella today outside, so I'm going to make lunch for her. It will be 6 ounces filet, that's US prime, and this 6 ounces organic salmon. Yes, who's having today? That's for me. With garlic butter. I'm gonna do the oven forno. This 2 sliced tomato. Some Reggiano, okay? We grated ourselves. This is look nice, isn't it? I'm planning to this one. I can make like a burger bun. But not yet, another hour, raise a little more. So some dough left, I'm making regular bun. The kids in the kitchen, they will have with the tea or coffee. Folks, this is the bun, it's ready. Beautiful, isn't it? So let it cook. These are mushrooms. Look, here is Raj. He's doing the croutons. He's the hero for here, and he's the appetizer portion. This is kind of Thousand Island sauce, you know.
See, now I'm confused.
Johnny, come here. I'll show you something.
Good. Oh,
That's for you.
jumbo size. Oh, for me. Okay, very
I
good.
made it. I did the video.
Yeah.
And look, here is the John.
Johnny here. Johnny here.
And Lulu's peeping that side. Ringo. So here you go.
Jumbo size. Jumbo size. Good for whole family. This one.
24 ounces big patty, big burger. I made for Johnny here. And he'll look after it. Adios.